All right, lesson 7. What is my unique or specific process that solves the problem? Okay, so this will be the structure, the 5-step process, or your signature system, something you could package as your own that makes it unique in the market. Just like if you read Hormozi's book, $100 Million Offers, he talks about packaging something that is unique to you. It's not a commodity. It's not, oh, should I get this one or that one? It's, oh, that package does that. It gets you from A to B in this time without doing this. Okay? Systems here. So why is structure important? All right, a well-structured process helps learners follow along easily and achieve their desired outcomes. Ensures each step builds on the previous one, creating a logical flow. Like I said, so it could be your signature system. It could be my 5-step process to achieve blank. It could be, shameless plug obviously, but the iFocus automation system, okay? Yes, there's software to do other things like this, but no other software can help you build, market, and sell your online course, especially your first one, in 24 hours or less, just like this, all in one spot. So if you didn't jump in already and you're working your way through the course, sign up for the 7-day trial. If you don't like it, cancel it, but at least you can build along, get it up and running, and who knows, you might be even making sales before your trial ends. I'll leave a link below. So here's your exercise for lesson 7. Now that you know your avatar, now you know the qualification quadrant, who they are, what they like, where they hang out. You're inside their head. You picked out their problem. You know what to solve. You know how to spin it in a unique way, your unique angle, okay? Now write it out, break it down, and create a detailed step-by-step outline of the process. And then you can visualize it with a flow chart or a mind map or steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do this, a road map, okay? Visually put it out if you'd like. But get it out on paper and then make it as simple as possible. And we'll move on to the next lesson.